The VEVOR 4200 PSI Pressure Washer is equipped with a robust 1700-watt motor, providing a powerful cleaning performance that effectively tackles tough stains and dirt. Its extensive reach is ensured by a 20-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, allowing for efficient cleaning of large areas without frequent repositioning. With 4 quick-connect nozzles and a foam cannon, this pressure washer offers versatility for various cleaning tasks, reducing maintenance costs thanks to its efficient inlet filter. The high-strength PVC hose is designed to be both wear-resistant and burst-proof, ensuring durability and reliability in demanding cleaning situations. Compact and portable, this pressure washer features an ergonomic handle and swivel wheels, making it easy to maneuver and store, with dedicated holders to prevent loss of accessories. The sturdy construction and explosion-proof components make the VEVOR pressure washer a dependable choice for both residential and professional cleaning needs.